Welcome back, folks. This is part 2 of our training session on how to set up Vibecom WordPress theme for your WordPress installation. In previous part, we saw how we set up the Vibecom options panel using the import export functionality, and how we downloaded the sample XML data on our desktop. So next part is to import the XML data into our WordPress. So we go to our tools, import WordPress, and now we select the imported file here. So now we search for the downloaded XML file, vibecom.xml, and click open. Next we click on upload file and import, and we click on import attachments and click on submit. So now the files have been imported and the sample content has been imported. If we go back to our posts and see posts, we see that we have a lot of posts here, and we have some portfolio as well, projects in our portfolio. We have some models, some testimonials. Okay, so now if we go and see our site, so it looks something like this. So now we have to set up the custom menus and set up a good home page for our blog. So we come back to our WordPress dashboard, go to Vibe Options panel, General Settings. Here we enable the theme customizer to yes, and now we use the theme customizer. So when we click on that, we reach the theme customizer. Here we can set up things. So we go to navigation and we see that we have a main menu in the select tab. We select the main menu, and now we see that we have pages and the main menu is appearing. Then we select a static front page, and we can select any of the home versions out of the 15 given by this theme. Next, if you want, you can change the colors from here, you can change the typography, you can set up a background image or a background effect. So after this, we click on save and publish. And now if we go back to our theme and refresh it, so the theme has been set up. If you see clearly, that you'll notice that the theme does not import the sidebars, so the footer will come the default way, but the rest of the content has been pre-built into the theme, including the main menu. So that's it from us for the sample data install. Thank you for watching us.